Meet the stylish and sustainable way to gift. Premium jute gift bags. Beautiful, durable, and designed to make every present feel more special. Perfect for gifting, these jute bags turn ordinary packaging into something memorable, charming, and eco-conscious.
Add logos, names, event artwork, or custom prints. These bags are ideal for brands, weddings, corporate giveaways, and personalized gifting.
More than just gift bags, they're practical for shopping, events, daily carry, and reusable packaging solutions. Made from natural jute fiber, these bags offer a greener alternative to disposable packaging. Strong, reusable, and better for the planet.
Choose packaging that looks good, feels premium, and leaves a lasting impression. Discover attractive jute gift bags at Jute Craftify today.